Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. Today we are going to show you how to make a PDF fillable using PDFLiner. We often use PDF forms that contain different kinds of fillable fields, and they increasingly speed up the filling process. So if you have a form that you or your clients need to fill out constantly, you should definitely make it fillable. It will save you a lot of time and effort in the future. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add different kinds of fields using PDFLiner's Add Fields feature. So firstly, upload your form to PDFLiner or search for one in our library. Once the PDF editor is loaded, we can begin to add changes. Click the Add Fields button on the upper toolbar to open the Fields editing mode. Here you can add and edit different kinds of fields. So let's take a look at each one of them. The most popular type is a text field. To add it, we need to click on the tool and then place the field where we need it. Drag the blue dots to get a specific size. Now we can adjust some settings at the right settings panel. We can mark this field as required if its information is crucial. If we need to type each character in a different cell, we pick the characters in cell option. In this case, we also need to put a number of cells down here at max length, so the information will be placed correctly. If we need to write a lot of text in one field, we should make the field multi-line by picking this option. If you would like to leave some hints on what should be written in this field, add a placeholder. For example, here we require a company name. For a specific letter case, pick one of these options. For example, uppercase. If the information in this field should not be longer than a specific amount of characters specified in a max length. In the upper settings panel, you can also specify the font size and alignment. If you need more than one field with the specific settings, you can click here to copy and then paste the field where you need it. All settings will be saved. To delete a field, click the trash bin icon. The second most popular field are checkboxes and radio. If you need several options to be marked, or you need a specific mark, pick the checkbox field. You can also make it required and pick the mark type: cross, check, or circle. If you need only one option to be marked, for example, the answer yes or no, use the radio field. In this setting, you can assign the field to a specific group. It means that if one of the fields in this group is marked, all other fields will be left blank. If you need more than one group, write the new group's name here and click the Add button. Now assign the new group to all fields that should be in it. Next, we can add a number field. The number field is used when we only require digits. Letters can be written in the number field. The settings here are similar to the text field. If the line in the form requires known in advance options, for example state or a product, you can use a drop-down field. In the right panel, add all the available options and specify whether you allow an alternative choice over here. Choose a default option. For most cases, it would be Select. If you need a picture on your form, add the photo field. If your form requires signing, make sure to add the sign field. Let's make it required as well. And of course, every signature needs a date, so we also add a date field. In the settings, you may choose the date format. If your form should be filled out in a specific order, you can rearrange fields by using the Order tool. Here in the right setting panel are all of your fields as you edit them. If you need to change the order, pick the field and drag it where you need it. Once you've added everything, double-check if all is correct and click the Save button. Now you are back to PDF editing mode. You can fill out the form using the fillable fields, or you can save it as it is by clicking the Done button. If you like this guide, click the thumbs up and subscribe for more PDF editing tips. Using PDFLiner, you can also edit, sign, convert, and share any PDF documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at PDFLiner.com.